Hi folks, Travis Spencer with Kinney Insurance. One misconception that consumers have about the insurance industry is that every company will insure anything. A lot of times we have homeowners who have a unique home situation and they don't understand why the insurance company doesn't want to insure their property. Well, insurance companies don't have to insure your home if they don't want to. And a lot of them have guidelines, a lot of strict guidelines into the requirements for your home. So, for instance, if you have a pool that doesn't have a fence, most companies aren't going to insure that. If you have a house whose only heat source is wood, a wood stove or a pellet stove, and you don't have any other type of heat, a lot of companies aren't going to insure that either. Maybe you're completely off the grid and just have solar power. You could run into some issues with that as well. The more unique your situation, the more difficult it's going to be to get insurance. Now, that doesn't mean you can't get insurance, but what you have to understand is that the insurance can be more expensive. It can be something called surplus lines, which means your coverages might not be as good as going with a standard market. So when you're buying a house or if you're building a house or whatever it might be, reach out to an insurance agent and have a conversation before you get too far down the road. It's good to understand what your options are. Again, just remember, every insurance company doesn't have to insure your home, and if your home has things that don't meet their guidelines, then they're going to pass and you're going to have to look for insurance somewhere else. Our job is to make sure that you understand what can and cannot be insured. Our job is to make sure that we get you great coverage at a great price. But if your situation is something that doesn't fit with the insurance carriers, that might be difficult for us to do, and you might be paying more in the long term than if we could find standard coverage. So reach out, let's have a conversation. We want you to understand what the insurance carriers are looking for so we can make sure that we get a good fit for you and you get great protection at a great price. Thanks, and have a great day.